think Mr. Kumar is ready to attend virtually, Mr. President.
Yes,
If the chair will allow it.
with okay lang ba sa inyo na para bang nakukonsensya na nasa loob ng hospital, tinatanong natin yung tao? Baka may mangyari dyan.
Pumayag na raw yung doctor, Mr. Chair, according to the lawyer.
Baka may mangyari
Actually,
dyan.
the doctor did not agree, but James just wants it already. Just
No, no.
to be, ano.
Kailangan may doctor's advice yan. Nasa loob
Pero
siya ng...
may doctor po doon, pero the doctor did not agree, but
Oh, they did
Did the
not
doctor
agree.
did not agree, or you did not consult with the doctor?
he did. But the doctor said no.
So,
Oh,
sabihin
wag na.
na, pag may nangyari sa
Wag na,
kanya,
wag na,
baka
wag na.
kamisin. No. Yan.
Your Honor,
Yeah, andyan na siya, pero ako...
Pag may nangyari sa inyo, wag mo kami sisihin, Mr. Kumar.
hindi sir, I just want to clarify. Gusto ko rin matapos na ito kasi
Sandali lang, Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar, sandali lang. 1 minute suspension.